This is our curtain drop controller, and this carton box can pack the 4 controller inside. And this box packing weight is 9 kg. And this is the packing weight. You can see this position have the power cable and the DMX cable. It's 4 set cables, 4 sets cables. And this is inside have the curtain drop controller. Okay, this is our curtain drop controller. This is fuse, DMX in, DMX out. And this for the DMX address. You push this button to change the DMX address. Aluminum clamps, power in. This is the switch. You push to DMX position, then this controller is DMX control. If you push to power position, then this machine, this controller is electrical control, it's manual control. This is power out. And this is clamps. And now I show you how to control this controller. First, let's push. You can see this position on the power mode. And if you connect now I push to off. I push to off. And now if I push the power switch to the power, you can see these clamps will open. Okay. Now if I push to DMX position, you can see DMX position. Then you need to connect the DMX cable. And now you need to push the channel 1. But you can see the channel 1 only open a short time, only a short time. See, only open a short time. And if you want to open longer time, you push the channel 2 to 255, then you push the channel 1. So this controller control is simple, and one curtain drop controller can hold almost 15 kilogram products, and the curtain drop controller distance between the machine, we suggest 1 meter to 1.5 meter, so you can connect the curtain drop one by one together. And the power cable we offer you is the standard one. If you want the power cable connected between the curtain drop controller, you need to tell us, because you need to tell us the cable length, for example 1 meter or 1.2 or 1.5 or 2 meter. You need to tell us this cable length you need, then we quote you the price again. But if you not tell us, we only offer you the standard power cable for this one, for this position. Okay, so this is the simple curtain drop controller. Now I show you how to control this curtain drop controller, and you connect the power cable. You can see this LED lamps, indicator lamps is turned on, and these clamps you hang to the truss pipe, and if you push to the power, and you can see these clamps will open directly. for example. Okay, and now if we push to the DMX mode and we hang this this iron board to this position, for example, and you can see the DMX channel have two. The first one is open. You connect to the power cable or DMX cable. And you push this button to the DMX position, and the first one is open, and the second one is open time. Let's only push the first one only, for example. And if you hang the curtain to this clamps and you find very not easy to open, then you open the channel 2. And then you push the channel 1 again. If you only open channel 1, it will only 1 second. And sometimes if you find this indicator lamp is turned on but this controller no response, you need to check this fuse. Sometimes this fuse will burn and sometimes this fuse cover will loose. You fasten this one a little and you can connect this power cable in and power cable out one by one together. This is our curtain drop controller and you can see this is power in and this is the switch. If you push to power, means when you connect the power cable then these clamps will open and this is empty and this is DMX. DMX means you need to use DMX controller, this one, to control these clamps open. And this is the fuse, and this is DMX in and DMX out, and this change the DMX address. And sometimes if this controller, this LED lamps open, this LED lamps turn on, but this controller no response, you need to check this fuse. Sometimes fuse will burn, and sometimes this fuse cover will loose a little and you need to use the screwdriver to rotate this fasten a little and see that this is power out. This aluminum clamps. DMX cable and power cable. And you can see the voltage, this voltage, and you can see the voltage different. If you use 220 voltage and you choose this one, first one, and if you use 110 voltage and you choose the second one.